As a credit investor, you have a very broad palette to choose from today. 2024 has been a record year for investment grade corporate bond issuance so far. And in addition to that more traditional form of credit exposure, there's also an expanding securitized credit market. Within that sector, we've seen diversifying transactions backed by fiber optic cable, transactions backed by trade receivables, a broadening out of the whole business securitization market, as well as issuance collateralized by data centers. And while the commercial mortgage-backed space has struggled in terms of performance up until very recently, the dispersion within that space has created an opportunity as well. When I think about the levered finance space, the broadly syndicated bank loan market is now larger than the US high yield market, although there are some distinct differences between what the bank loan market looked like 10 years ago versus what it looks like today. And you obviously still have a robust US high yield market as an income generator with what we think are going to be continued lower default rates going forward. Two growing areas that span both investment grade and high yield ratings would be the $1 trillion CLO market, as well as the $1.7 trillion private credit market. So two growing opportunities in that space. And then there's also been growth in the ETF space, which continues to provide investors on the credit side with liquid, passive, and active alternatives. So there's a wide breadth of offerings, and that's just in the US. That doesn't include the diversifying characteristics of EM credit or Europe or Asia. There's a number of different ideas and ways that you can express credit in a portfolio today. And those options that I've mentioned really only cover the cash markets. We think about CDX as a liquid credit instrument in the derivative space as well, on both the investment grade and the high yield side. So there's never been more ways to express opinions or implement portfolio strategy using credit that encompasses thoughts on quality, duration, global preference, or currency as there are today.